Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and we wanted to do the traditional wrap-up video for the end of the year. Wishing a Merry Christmas to you and yours. And this is the kind of project that humans have to do. Artificial intelligence can't do this sort of thing because AI will never understand Christmas. Christmas is waking up early. Christmas is opening gifts. Christmas is getting a Red Ryder BB gun and breaking my glasses. AI could never have a real Christmas memory like that.
Josh, I don't think we need this AI stuff. And why are you even bringing it up?
Because I saw something earlier. Caleb was working on, it looked like he was making a guy.
Oh, you're talking about the new humanoid AI module that he's been working on?
I don't know what you call it, but didn't it look familiar? Is there something about it?
It's humanoid, but it just kind of looked like a guy. It's not particularly familiar.
I think they're replacing me.
Replacing you? Really? I don't think you need to worry about that. Let's just keep moving.
Okay. First, a quick note about our support schedule over the holidays. Phone support will close starting December 22nd, this coming Friday, and then we'll open back up again on January 2nd. That's a Tuesday. During that time, we'll still be receiving support requests, so you can send those in by emailing support@populi.co, or from within Populi, if you go to the help desk, you can drop us a request that way too. We'll be seeing those, but our response time will be slower over the holiday. Throughout this video, we'll cover topics that you can dig into deeper. We'll have links to other resources below in the description, so keep an eye out. We made a number of major updates to the software. Some of them were more behind the scenes type of changes. They're kind of like when you eat 2 pints of ice cream in a single sitting. You can't see the ice cream, but it's there. It's making a difference. On to the changes that you can see. This year, we made a major update to our LTI capabilities. If LTI doesn't immediately ring a bell, it's a software standard that lets you use other products with Populi. So even if we at Populi haven't built a specific integration for another piece of software, if that software has built an LTI tool, you can get that to work with Populi. We've had LTI and Populi for a long time, but now Populi supports LTI 1.3, which is the newest version. One new opportunity that 1.3 brings with it, you can connect Turnitin's Feedback Studio to Populi. So if you have access to Feedback Studio, you can integrate that. We made some adjustments to calendars in Populi that speed up performances in a few places, and that will allow us to make further improvements down the road. The major change here is that before, if you were using Google Calendars, we used to allow Google Calendars to take the lead on calendar events, and then we pull those events into Populi. But now Populi is the source of those calendar events. That flips the way that things worked previously, which will mean that calendars now work more smoothly in Populi,
Josh.
Yeah.
What's wrong? You all right?
Yeah, I'm still thinking about it. The AI, the guy that Kel was working on, and he had this whiteboard out, and he was teaching it stuff.
Josh, you're being paranoid.
He was teaching it to say, "Hey, everybody, this is Josh from Populi." They're replacing me.
I'll admit that is odd. It's kind of surprising, but it doesn't change the fact that we have to finish wrapping up the year. So
yeah,
can we just just keep moving?
We can. Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Online payments had some deep improvements that bubble up to a few noticeable changes on the surface, including the someone else paying link. That link can be regenerated whenever necessary and is good for 400 calendar days. Also, whenever someone makes a payment via that link, the 400-day timer resets, so that link remains usable for a long time. One of the big improvements this year is deeply nerdy. It's kind of an if you know thing. Our new API left beta this year. API allows schools with serious programming skills to build their own tools that read and write data in Populi. The new API has a huge range of uses, and it actually has its own documentation. On the admission side, we added some very cool features to our applications and inquiries. Things like conditional fields, pages, hidden fields for office use only. You can also design your own inquiries. That's all new this year. These changes are all related to improvements that we've made to Forms. Forms has continued to grow and develop and be refined, even though it hasn't come out of beta yet. If you're interested in getting Forms turned on for your organization, you can send an email to support@populi.co, just asking to be added to the Forms beta. Don't forget to check out all the resources linked below in the description.
What's up, guys? You want to go to the dump?
No. What? Caleb, we're in the middle of shooting a video.
Oh, I'm sorry. See, I'm just going to the dump. I was wondering if you guys wanted to come with me and we can watch this AI module get all smushed up in the trash compactor.
Hold on. You're destroying it, but I saw you teaching it to replace me.
No. What you saw was me teaching the AI module not to say, hey everybody, Josh from Populi. It decided it wanted to replace you, but I knew we couldn't have that. The operating system was resistant to manual override, but I got it done. Because that's not what Populi's about. Populi is not about AI replacing humans. Also, it didn't have glasses.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. I do want to go to the dump and watch that thing get smashed up.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Thanks for another great year. Merry Christmas. Oh, we should get some eggnog on the way out there. We should stop.
I know of some pretty good eggnog spots at the dump.
Oh, and just do that. Let's just do that.